our ANSYS Part 2 video.
Click on the model option and update. The tick mark represents that the model has been updated successfully. Now double click on model to open the new page where we can do meshing and all things. Till the new page has been opened, till that time we will do the drawing sheet. Here you can see the option of drawing sheet. If you click now clicking this button, here drawing sheet, see like this, the new drawing sheet will be open where we can give dimensions to our drawing, as you can see here. Now choosing the dimension option, you can give all the dimensions as follow. So our drawing has been sheet has been completed and our new page has also been opened. So here we can perform our meshing performance and other solution. Here you can see one option of magnifying glass like thing, on clicking on which our part will appear on the screen. See, if you click here, our model part will be appear like this. Click on the mesh option here. As we click, the meshing on the model will be appear. This is the auto mesh. Now click on static structure. Make the left click insert. Give the fixed support to the part which you require. Here I am giving the fixed support to this end, this outer part, as it is showing in green color, and here you click on apply option, so the fixed part will be appear in the blue color, as you can see on the screen. Now again click on static structure, insert, and go to force option. Click on it. We are going to apply force on this portion which is given in green color, and here first apply. Now it will represent in red color. Now from this vector change it to components. So see here, the you should see the axis, it is in y axis, sorry, it is in x axis, the part which we need to give force. So it should be force should act in x-axis. Okay, so we are giving 100 newtons force. Which direction you want to give, in that direction we need to apply the force. Okay, so now click on solution, insert stress. We need to find which stress, equivalent stress, so click on it. And again we need another thing to find. For that you have to again go to the solution and give insert to that, and later you click on the solution button which is given above. As you click the solution button which is represented by thunder symbol, the solution will be going on calculated and it will be shown to. The solution may take some time to get. We need to wait for few minutes. It will take 1 minute. You can see the solution has been appeared. Here you can see the stresses are represented here on the specimen and the values are given on left side. Which color represent how much amount of force or stress. If you want to see how it works animatedly, if you click the arrow here, animation, you can play animation here. You can see it is showing how the force will act when the given force will act on it. Which part will affect more is showing in the red color. So this is how you can do the experiment. Hope you understood.